Yeah, I'm high on love. Yeah, oh, yeah. The truth is, I'm high on love. These feelings I can't control. Don't know what to do. My heart's on the roll. Do I hold my breath while I wait for you? Can I risk it all for something true? In my mind these feelings collide, rushing my head when I see your eyes. Laughter and time don't always heal. Guess it's love, yeah, this is real. Should I hold on or pass? Will you let me crash? Should I hold on or pass? Will you let me crash? Should I hold on or pass? Will you let me crash? Should I hold on or pass? Will you let me crash? You are a citizen, resident in my heart. From the first moment you play your part, living inside me, no passport needed. Every beat of my heart you never repeated. I try to run but I stay tight, and your love so loud I can't hide it. No visa to leave, no place to start. You're permanent in my soul and heart. Oh, you are a citizen, a resident in my heart. You are a citizen, a resident in my heart. You are a citizen, a resident in my heart. You are a citizen, a resident in my heart. Traveling light, but I carry your name through every storm, through every flame. Yeah. Going somewhere with you feels right. Even in darkness you bring me light. Speeding fast at 120. I see the world but you're my only plenty. Police say stop, I'll smile and go. There's a place with you I need to know. And we will collide, and we will collide. Should I hold on or pass? Will you let me crash? Should I hold on or pass? Will you let me crash? You are a citizen,